Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset. No, done set. Back of the class, man, on a subject.
You have big house right there?
No, man, a restaurant there. It's way club here, this is or something.
Are the banana still open?
No, locked up.
So what if?
All the place are filled up, but what about sitting there?
So what if strip? Like what's that if strip? Like food and stuff? Club?
Yeah, that's what the name.
Like go-go club or just club?
Disco club, you go dance and eat.
Like Glabes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Restaurant and thing, you go eat.
So pretty.
And church, Bible church. That church of Pitalo, beach in the park.
So with the friends.
English people go and this.
You read about song?
You want to circle that scheme and see how that scheme look?
Which scheme? There's actually I'm my father, my best friend.
Say that to me.
And you should all go together. No sir, eating me. This is the first this heat ever catch me so. Feel hot.
So we can't take the heat. Me can't take it.
You know, you seen your house you buy last time. Oh, like ice.
After minutes and minutes of waiting, we finally got the fridge. We want to load it back in the truck and bring it back to the crib. I am hella tired. Hella fucking tired. I feel like my wig is sliding back the way it's so fucking hot. But yeah, girl. Tired bad guys, tired bad. Just done eat one cheese patty and I'm gonna eat the next one. My big leg goat. You want goat, my big leg cow. Damn, this camera looking dark. There we go. But yeah, we about to put the fridge up and take the drive back to the crib. I think we decided not to get the stove and we will haul off on the stove now, but we're gonna do the 2 toilets and the sink. One for my dad's room, one for my room. So yeah. Talk to y'all in a minute.
Big up the girl, let me know so you're loyal. Baby, I would not go on for the boy, you're dead with him too thick and thin.
This one is.
I have some girl have vanity mind, some of them. What the loyal woman them dead, that's what me and me are talking about. What it up? What it up? Do the box. Do the box. Do the box. What them there when they get around? When we look in the food for the farmer. One of them 16. Me have also the bad people, them know we have money in our party.
Went out last night. I'm just waking up over by Kim, the big friend. Over here's mad pretty, right guys? So we're about to go to the beach today. I'm using my iPhone now, so some of my ass is looking over there instead of looking directly at the camera. But yeah. Makeup survived from last night. At peace again. But yeah, up a store in the hill. That's pretty though. The river runs right over here by Kim house. Then there's multiple cribs on the property for his family. Yeah, just kidding. These ones are not gonna attack me?
No, sir.
Yeah, I cut the fence. I cut the fence eye. Oh, they're cool. I just want to zoom in. You take me like a fucking jump pussy. No man, them really an for you. Look at that one in the neck background or so.
Yeah, them empty pan.
What? So woman not put the food in there?
Yeah, man, you got my feet.
So how much is like a bag of feeding?
3 something.
Abbas. So me and Cam is on our way to the beach. We go with the friend?
No, nigger.
Bumbo. They drive that enough?
Lie down for whites and I drink jelly water.
You're there.
Yeah, Mr. Yeah, Mr.
Turn her back.
Alright, yeah.
Fun fact, I don't drink liquor. Even some me get I say something that come to Jamaica in a while. I start talk too much American now. Usually we just talk about straight through the vacation. We don't know where I'm going.
Stay too long up now.
Stay too long. I don't like liquor. If you ever noticed in most of my videos, I got like Bumbo the baby, the kid, the goat. Usually on my videos I drink sweet drinks like pina coladas, margaritas, all that because I hate taste of liquor. I don't like beer for shit, but Red Stripe have me in a chokehold with the sorrel beer. Nah, it's Christ. So we want to go. So we're going to wait for it, right? Where we go? So I'm gonna say we are really got Boston for that before?
Yep, I'm bringing one into a big there.
She lucky. Me a punch in the kitchen. So yeah. Till us again. Body have you?
Somebody out this house will come in.
Bumbo.
Here.
Jack, one! Bring him on, come!
So we stopped at Boston Jerk Center, the best jerk on the fucking island, Port Antonio. Yeah, yo. I don't know if y'all can see it because the light. There we go. So we get some conch. Everybody who know me love conch. Trying to open it and show y'all. Jeez. Woo, roast conch. And then we got Cam.
Hola, señorita.
And then we got jerk, pork and festival. And everyone. Bumbo, give me some. So I'm back in the crib. Cam dropped me off. I'm about to relax my soul. It is 8:02, December 31st. I'm not doing anything for New Year's but relaxing and going to my bed. By the grace of God, I made it to 365 days this year. I hope you had a prosperous new year. And yeah, I'm about to get ready for this party in the morning. It's called Sun Up. You know, if you watch the vlogs, if you remember Ty's family does that party. It's like a breakfast party and it's all white. So I'm about to put on my outfit. One of the bodysuit them for the outfit I never tried on. I ordered on Amazon because I needed a bodysuit last minute. So I'm just gonna take a shower, braid up my hair because I want it somewhat curly tomorrow. Yeah, fix my edges, fix my lace just so it won't lift. Clean my room is clean, but just put everything together before I leave. So anyways, talk to you later. Yeah, I'm about to soak off these nails by Mercury, my friend Nikisha. Are both named Nikisha. If anything, I'll link her stuff down below. These are press-ons. So I'm about to take these off and then I have press-ons to wear tomorrow. So yeah guys, bye. Finally got home from sunup. Well, I've been home. I just was down with my grandmother eating, but I'm about to cook, quick nap, quick lay down, get up around 9 o'clock, take a shower, get dressed, because we have to run again. Me and Kim going outside. I don't know where we going. I guess it's some party, some spot, whatever. But yeah, I added some of the sunup footage on my phone. Some, you know, it's gonna be before this scene, but I had to filter a lot of stuff because, you know, music, copyright reasons. I don't have time. But yeah, one time I'm like makeup. First time I'm ever doing like a pink look, and I actually love it. So talk to you in a minute. I need to take a nap. Later. For the kids.
Every Sunday we are doing what? Then we are go buy one.
How much you want?
At this time I did know 75
For that little something there?
Yeah man. I want to use gas. Look just like one dirt, but you know, sell.
Quanto você tá assim? I ain't gonna switch it man long.
DJ, own data, get own balance. DJ.
La la. Before I had the fuckery, you know. Look, it's cold. Look at my titty. Near the beach, motherfuckers. Yeah, Joe? What the fuck?
It's hella blurry, but I know y'all ain't see me in the past couple days. Let me see if I could focus this. Let's see. People used to say that Canon cameras don't focus well, and now I see because I've never had this problem. Hold on. There we go. So I know y'all haven't seen me the past couple days. I've been enjoying my last 2 days out. And I was like, you know what? I'm not going to no parties or anything. I'm not doing anything extraordinary. So I was like, you know, let me spend the last 2 days with my family, which I did. My family and my friends. So tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening I'm leaving. And I'm gonna try to get you guys some footage. But today I spent the time getting some stuff. So I got like a whole bunch of chips. Don't mind the chair. The chair that I stripped from, you know, the last story I did with the blue hair. The dirty gal, my father's ex-girlfriend and whatever. She let everything go to rot. But we throwing away the chairs. So please don't mind that. I don't like nasty players. Anyways, I got some stuff. I'm show y'all. So it's like snacks and shit. Cersei. It's my mom's stuff or whatever. She live her life. Remember, see, I phone out here, mommy. We got cheese, 3 cheese, 1 beef, breadfruits, ham, ackee, all that good shit. So, mommy, You're not gonna drink them beer before you left?
Meant to drink them. And have enough liquor to drink.
Put up yaki there, no? Put up.
I saw that they put the box them.
Okay.
Fit them fit. Yes, sir. So, I'm gonna start packing my bag. I have 2 bags to pack. Packed it pretty neat. I'm leaving some stuff. So yeah, so I'm planning to go to the beach in the morning. Like my final wash off for the new year. You know, say my little 1-2 prayers to God and do what I gotta do. And yeah. So I'm gonna try to get footage for y'all tomorrow when we leave, because I do have to pick up like KFC, outdoor bread, and some other stuff. So see you in the morning. Hope y'all had a blessed new year and happy new year, guys. Just in case I didn't tell y'all before. So guys, I'm back and I want to properly end the vlog with giving y'all a little update. So I got to the airport, Norman Manley Airport, around a little bit after 2, probably like 2:50 going to 3 o'clock. My flight was at 5 p.m. My mother left from 7 a.m. to 11. She got to New York at 11 on Caribbean Airlines. Where I fucked up at was, I know American Airlines doing their fuckery, but that was the last flight I could get to come to Jamaica, to leave to Jamaica. So I got here and I'm like, all right, stop at KFC, get some food to eat, go stay with Kim a little bit and go through security. I'm like, damn, security line long. Get upstairs, 2 departures now, waiting to board. While I'm getting my liquor, they push my flight back to 6:10 instead of leaving at 5:25, saying that, oh, the flight delayed. I get pissed off because I'm like, fuck, if I get there late, I'm gonna miss my flight. All right, cool. So I'm buying the liquor now. They email us back saying, oh, the flight is back on. Cool, I'm excited. I'm gonna land around 7. The second flight leave at 8:59. I haven't done a connected flight in years, and I don't fuck with American Airlines. So yeah. So I get on the plane, I get in the line to the plane, crowded. My whole flight is overbooked. So I get onto the plane at last. I couldn't change my seat. End up getting an aisle seat. Hate aisle seats, hate middle seats. I'm a window type of shorty. All right, cool. I guess it had a little perks because, you know, I got off before the whole row. Long story short now, I'm chilling. We landed on time at 7:19. Why we didn't get off the plane until 8:04? Not even 8:04, 8:15, saying that, oh, the flight was delayed to come into the terminal. It's backed up and blah, blah, blah. So we had to sit in the plane for an hour and blah, blah, blah. Cool. Get off now. I'm running. For all who knows, I stopped in Miami. So for all who knows, Miami International is a big-ass airport. And they don't have labels at all. So I get off, I run, I hop on the air train. There's no, because it's late, there's no American Airlines or staff members in the area at all for me to know anything. So I get on the Sky Train to passport control. I get on passport control. I stayed on passport control line for approximately an hour. By the time I even got to the 3rd row, there's like 5 rows to get through, like, of long ass lines. I would say the line, the row is probably like 40 people deep. So imagine 5 rows and it's 40 people in each line, and I'm in like the 6th line. By the time I get to like the 3rd row, nowhere near TSA, like to get to the passport control border center, my flight is up in the air by 9 o'clock. Gone, finished, finito. So I get upset, I'm pissed off. I couldn't find no other flights to leave out that night. So I'm like, fuck it, like, it is what it is. I start getting a panic attack. I'm almost near crying. Then I'm pushing a big ass heavy suitcase with all these goods, like I'm about to sell something in New York. And then I'm chilling, cool. I finally get my bag now, get my stuff. They like, oh, go to the escalator. I go to all the way down to the end of the airport. No escalator. Had to go to 3 elevators. Out of the 3 elevators, 1 was broken, and it's hundreds of people waiting. So it took me 30 minutes to get off the ground floor to go to the 2nd floor. Get to the 2nd floor now to stand in another American Airlines, just to notice that everybody that I was on my flight with was in that line. So about 70% of my flight was supposed to go to New York. About 70. So we all was there waiting. I'm panicking now because that means I might not get a flight. out early in the morning, cool. I get to the front now. They're like 7 o'clock flight is booked, 8 o'clock flight booked. The only thing we could do is give you a flight to New Jersey, or you could just take the 12 o'clock flight out of Miami and get to New York at 3 p.m. But you have to change airports. So instead of JFK, you gotta go all the way to LGA. I am pissed. But it is what it is. They gave me a hotel, they gave me 2 meal tickets. So I'm here packing, currently in Miami. I'll show y'all. Currently in Miami. I didn't open the window all the way, but I'm in the Hampton Inn Suites next to the La Quinta by the airport. So yeah, kind of happy that hold on, y'all, this fat face double chin thing is not working. Kind of happy that I got a 12 o'clock flight so I could sleep. Not really happy because I have shit to do in New York and I have to go to Philly. So, it is what it is. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you later, guys.
Them boy don't got no bodies. Me no star girl, me have vastly. Have a Spain town girl love call me. I'm a big woman girl.